On the handrails. When the Gatelink stops, please exit and follow the signs to baggage claim A. Resort and other ground transportation options are located on level 1.
Hello, this is Orlando Mayor Buddy Dyer. If you're a resident, welcome home. If you're one of our nearly 70 million visitors, welcome to the city gate. Here, imagination becomes reality in parks and attractions. Authentic experiences are found in our art scenes, sporting events, and small businesses. In Orlando, there's something for everyone. Hope you enjoy your visit and everything that makes Orlando unbelievable.
Please stand clear of doors and hold on to handrails. When the Gatelink stops, please exit and follow the signs to baggage claim A. Resort and other ground transportation options are located on level 1. The doors